With the spread of corona pandemic, it's of utmost importance to use sanitizer to disinfect hands to keep ourselves safe from COVID-19. Normally, bottled hand sanitizers are in use and are good for home. But in public places, where a large number of persons use them, they become inconvenient and expensive. Kent presents its new offering, the Kent Auto Sanitizer, which is an ideal sanitizing solution for factories, offices, hospitals, malls, railways, shops, and above all, your home as well. Kent Auto Sanitizer is wall mountable and has advanced touchless, fully automatic operation. Simply keep your hands under the Kent Auto Sanitizer and it sprays a desired amount of sanitizer in the form of fine atomized mist from its dripless nozzle within seconds. This way, it avoids any human touch and also saves on cost. Its specially designed quick operating sensor is ideal for repeated use. Install Kent Auto Sanitizer at your entrance today and protect your people from infections in the most effective and economical way.